Hey, good afternoon, everyone. I'm out camping this weekend, so I thought I'd share a USPSA match from a couple weeks ago at the Desert Sportsman's Rifle Club. This match right here, this stage was extremely confusing to me. I left some steel and a target up, which is horrible to do. On this stage, you have to shoot a Texas Star that's housed in between barrels. It's extremely, I don't say extremely, but it's tricky to do. You also have two papers on the ground. You can't shoot them first. You have to shoot the star, and a lot of people were shooting the star and then moving away from the targets. I'm shooting my Glock 19 with an RMR. On this stage, you've two on target, and then reload, and then support hand only, 1 round. Support hand only is one of the weakest traits I have. Again, other hand, so strong hand, 1 each. A little bit easier. I used to cant my pistol. Now I hold it vertical. Helps me. I'm going to roll in some old video from back in Maryland where I used to live. Again, thanks for watching. If you got questions or comments, please let me know. Drop a like. I appreciate you watching. Thank you.